Welcome back to the Adventures with the Average Joe, and I'm Joe. Today, I'm going to be trimming this tree back a little bit. I'm going to come over and show you how tall everything is. Now you see why it needs trimmed out. There should be a little bit of work, but not too much. Enough procrastinating. Let's get it. I think it looks a lot better. I got it looking beautiful on most of the sides. The one side will grow back, but from the road, it looks pretty nice. Check it out. Now, I just got a little bit of a mess to clean up over here. I'll show you that here in a second. This is the pile of branches I got off this tree. Here in a second, I'll show you the whole tree from all sides. All of that will grow back pretty quickly. It's the rainy season. And that's what I took off. The next thing I gotta do is clean it up and we'll be done. This has been Adventures with the Average Joe, and I'm Joe. I was doing a little bit of property maintenance. I got this tree trimmed back and everything picked up so it ain't just laying around. Until next time, like, subscribe, hit the notification button if you can, and if you can't, leave a comment if you want. If not, I still appreciate your help, still appreciate your views. Have yourself a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. Goodbye, everybody. Have a great day.